Hi guys, it's Suzanne from Backyard University, here to talk to you about how to kill unwanted grass for good. Having a lush yard is something we all strive to do, but what happens if your grass grows in places you don't want? Like under decks, in between patio stones, or even in flower beds. When that happens, you want the grass gone. If you're looking for ways to kill grass, there are several great homemade potions you can make up, like vinegar and salt, and even baking soda. First though, let's look at salt and vinegar. Both will work, but they're also non-selective, meaning they'll not only kill plants you don't want, but plants you do want. So these are great when looking for ways to kill grass under decks and in between patio stones. To use vinegar as a way to kill grass, mix half with water and half with either white or apple cider vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray the grass you wish to get rid of. It will kill unwanted grass and weeds by burning them, but will not reach the roots, making one more step necessary. To reach the roots, use boiling water with your vinegar. The process is quick and takes about 24 hours to kill the weed. To use salt, sprinkle salt made of sodium chloride, such as non-iodized table salt or even rock salt, will work well. If you're afraid the salt water will leach into your flower bed, killing your wanted plants, you can dissolve the salt in a water bottle and spray directly on the unwanted grass. Salt works by taking moisture from the grass and killing it. It's very effective. It will also affect your surrounding soil, making growing any wanted plants impossible for years to come. And while salt will kill the root, it can take up to 10 days to kill the weed. If you want a quick and root-killing effective way to kill your grass fast, combine the vinegar and the salt. Just fill your spray bottle, half with water and half with vinegar. Add some salt, spray your unwanted grass and weeds. Baking soda is another easy and cheap way to kill unwanted grass and weeds. Simply shake some on the grass, water it. It works the same way as salt, by dehydrating the grass. And some plants, like tomatoes, thrive on a bit of baking soda. There is a reason why so many commercial herbicides do well. They require no mixing and fussing. The best way to use herbicides is to protect existing plants, or they too will be gone. A few precautions. Spray when there is little or no breeze. Cover your plants that you do want, and pay attention. You only want to treat the affected area. Make sure you keep your herbicides away from bulbs and flowers. Unfortunately, one of the best ways to remove unwanted grass and fast without disturbing the soil contents or killing surrounding plants is the old-fashioned way. Pull them out. I know that's not what you wanted to hear, but in flower beds where you've spent hard-earned money along with hours of time making the beds exactly as you want, you don't want to end up with nothing but infertile soil because the salt you used to eliminate a few weeds has ruined your flowers for years to come. So get yourself a tiller, like this one from Sunjoe, for big jobs, and make sure you rake up the area after you're done, collecting all visible uprooted plant pieces. For smaller jobs, invest in a good pair of garden gloves and a garden hoe like this one from Hashimon, and pull those weeds out by the root. We at Backyard University believe that by using one or a combination of our suggestions, you will be on the road to a beautiful yard with grass only where you want it. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, click the link below to some of our other videos or visit our website at backyarduniversity.org. For your convenience, we've also supplied links to mentioned products.